real good. We just gotta get up there in the rev range. What's up, YouTube? Got a new slip-on for the Beamer. So let's check it out and see what it is. So I went with the Leo Vinci slip-on. Here's the part number for it right here. All that information here. This was like about $300 shipped. It actually didn't take too long to get to me, so let's unbox it and see what we got. Alright, let's take it out the packaging. Get a better look at it. So in here. And I'll replace that there. Slip it on. So, actually gonna be pretty easy to install it. Set that actually down on the ground, see what else comes in a package. Set that right there like that. It's like matte carbon. It's the inside of it here. So let's see if it sounds better with the stock header. You see that's still on there. But we got some things coming for that, so stay tuned. Let's see what else is in this box. Some stickers. That's all cool. That's how to register the exhaust. Well, the slip-on. Additional parts underneath here. To say it's actually card information here. Okay. There's additional parts. It's like a clip for the exhaust. Put on the slip-on, so we'll need that. Alright, let's pack this stuff up. Okay, to remove this and this down here, you'll need a, this up here, you'll need a 40, T40. And for this down here, you'll need a T45 for down here. The smaller one. Alright, let's get this one on. Okay, get that off. Let's set this aside. Slide that one in here. And then slide the slip-on on. Guessing this nut it'll supply with the slip-on goes back here like that. And we'll grab the stock bolt here. Alright, for that bolt down here, it's right here, right there. If you guys can see it. All right, I slid this down here and just hit it underneath here so you don't see it as the exhaust is on. But you need a T30 for that bolt down here to tighten this up here. Just kind of hand tighten it. Make sure it's not wobbly or anything like that. That's on back there. You guys can see it's threaded on properly. And this is on good. It's not wobbly. So let's fire this thing up and see if it sounds any different. All right, let's go. What's up, YouTube? I'm here testing out this slip-on with the stock header. I mean, it sounds okay. It sounds a little bit better, a little bit deeper than stock. I'll slow down a little gravel and stuff over here. Oh yeah, and a down tree. See, it's a little deeper right there. Nothing crazy. Apologize for the wind noise also. Yeah, it's like a nice little grumble to it. Definitely sounds better than stock when you're in the high RPMs. Can't really go too crazy because I got the car in front of me, then this just had a storm, so there's all types of debris in the road, and the roads are still a little wet too. I forgot, I think I got my plate covered up. He didn't pull out though. That noise right there, that wasn't there with stock. Ooh, I smell that pipe burning too. Nobody ain't burning my heel. Cops are out. Whoa. Stay. I hope they speed up, let it go. Oops. Alright, so here we go. Outside. Yeah, see, it's a little deeper than stock. Yeah, but it's okay. So like I said, I'm gonna replace this, turn it off. Replace the stock header. Got that coming in. So see, we got the slip on. Like I said, I'm replacing that. We got the front end slab protection on the wheel and then on the frame. I added this. I had to use the stock screw to put this on because this is more so for like the S1000R and the M1000 the double R basically. So it works, but I'm not liking that screw, so I gotta find another solution for that. Tank protectors. What else? I added this rear end carbon fiber piece, NRC tail tidy, and that's pretty much it in this bar and mirror over here. Yeah, so that's it with all the parts. So I guess it's pretty good. I can't wait to put on the stock header. I mean, to remove the stock header and really get some sounds out of it. It has like deep low grumble, and also I don't want to have to brown it too much because I want the header pipe to match, so it doesn't discolor soon. But by the time I get back, it'll probably be the same color as the stock header. So, but that's all I got for you guys. I like it. For $300, you can't beat it. And stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you on the next one. All right, peace.